Hey, hello guys. So guys, today I am going to show you very interesting thing in Microsoft Excel. It's very useful and Microsoft is nothing if you don't know about this formula. So guys, the thing is if condition. So if condition we use for giving the condition in any case. You can see now I created a table on the Excel. There are name of the students, then marks of for English, math, IT, then total, percentage and grade. So we will use the if condition for the percentage for the grade. And I will explain each and everything about if condition and also the nested if. Nested if means if condition more than one time means if condition inside the if condition. Okay, so guys, so let's start. But before this I want to tell you I didn't do anything, just I created the names. I wrote the name here, name of the students, then I wrote three names, then I put the marks. You can put any marks for English, for maths, for IT. So guys, in previous classes in the Excel, I told you about Excel has two things, rows, column. Rows, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the columns is A, B, C, D, E, F. So, and the third thing is the cell. Cell means where we are now, because suppose if we are in this column, so we will read E3 because E is the column and 3 is the row. So this is the name of the cell, E3. Okay, so I was telling you now I created English, I put the marks in the English, then I put the marks for maths, and then I put the marks for IT. You can put any of the marks. So guys, about the if condition, I want to tell you this is very important in Microsoft Excel. Now, this is the first way. You select the row and click auto sum. So you can add this numbers, and then you will drag this, or you can copy paste in other cell, or you will drag this on the corner, you will take the plus sign and you will put it there, or you can copy and paste whatever you want. You can watch my previous lessons if you want. Here we come, and here we will use the if condition. If condition, basically we are saying if we will do this, so it will happen. As you know, whatever formula we write, so we use is equal to, then we will write if, then bracket, then I will take total. Total means E3. E3, the column number E and the 3. So I will say if E3 is greater than 140, suppose, then something will happen. Suppose if I say if E3 greater than 140, comma means then pass. Otherwise fail. Means comma means then. If E3 is greater than 140, then inverted commas we will write whatever text we will write in the inverted commas, so the text will come same. So E3 greater than 140, then pass, then comma, then otherwise fail. So we will copy or paste on in other cells, or we can drag this so it will come in the other cell. If I say if E3 is greater than 142, so you can see when I put it, so who is greater than 142, he is pass. Who is 142 or less than 142, he is fail. So I make the condition like this. If we come to the grade, so we will say if, now we are coming F3. If F3 is equal to pass, then suppose A plus. If F3, what is the result? If F3 is equal to pass, we will write in inverted commas because this is the text. then A plus, otherwise suppose B. Okay, from here also you can take the if condition, auto sum, more functions, and here you can see there is the if condition. You can write here the logical test, and what is the value, true or false, means pass or fail. So here you will give the which suppose I want to know about the total, so I will write E3 is greater than 142, suppose, then pass, otherwise if the condition will be true then pass, if the condition will be false then fail. So the same thing we did with the formula, but I will suggest you do with formula, so it will be easy for you, and it will give you practice, and you know practice makes perfect. So we come on the grade. Now if I say is equal to, because in every formula we use is equal to, then if E3 is greater than 141, suppose if E3, I am talking about total, if E3 greater than 141, then the true condition will be B. Means if greater than 143, 141, so it will be B. Now I have to use the nested if, means if inside if. So what I am saying, if E3 will be greater than 143, then B, comma, and again we will give the if condition, if E3 is greater than 150, then A, if E3, then comma, means we are only giving the true condition, not the false. We are saying if the condition will be true, then it comes here. I'm not saying if the condition will be true, so this, otherwise this. I'm saying if the condition is true, then do this, or if the condition is fulfill on this, then this. Here also I am giving true. So you can see if E3 greater than 140, then B. If E3 greater than 150, then A. But here what I did, I put false condition also. I have to give only true condition. Means if E3 is the C, now see there is the error, and I want to show this error. So we will give only true condition. Means if E3 is greater than 141, then B. I am not saying otherwise do this. I am saying if E3 is greater than 141, then B, or if E3 greater than 150, then A, then comma, if E3 so guys, if E3 is greater than 141, then B. Only the true condition. Not I don't want to give false condition. I will remove the C. Means I will say if E3 is greater than 141, then 70%, suppose. Here I am giving 70%. I will remove this C, because again I am saying I will give only the true condition. Here you can see before I was giving true condition and the false condition, but now I will say the true condition. If this true condition fulfill, do this. If this true condition fulfill, do this. If this true condition fulfill, do this. So see, I am showing you all these things because you will find the error, and if you find this error, so what will you do? We can write also, if E3 is greater than or equal to 150, then A grade. Like this, you can use nested if many times. Means many of the if conditions you can use it, like 40% or A, B, C, D. So like this you can use nested if many times in Excel. So guys, now I will show you what is the so now you will see the correct thing. I showed you what you will face. Now see, if E3 is greater than 140, then B. If E3 greater than 151, then A. Means like this, you can use different conditions. If E3 is greater than 141, B. If E3 greater than 150, see, now I change the greater than into less than. You can see, you means because when you will practice, so it will be clear. See, now again I will do it. Is equal to, if the total means total is 153, E3 is the total, the column number E and the row number 3. If E3 greater than 140, then comma, then B. Otherwise no, I will not give the otherwise. Now I will give another if this condition full, so B. If E3 means total is greater than 150, then what will happen? If greater than 140, what will happen? If less than 140, then what will happen? A. So now you will see the